Hello guys, welcome back to my step-by-step tutorial video on how to trade the forex market, and today we'll be talking about bollinger squeeze. In our previous video I talked about how to use bollinger bands to trade the ranging market. So we came to the conclusion that when our candles hit the lower band we buy, when it hits the upper band we sell. So after every ranging market there's always a breakout. It's either a short breakout or massive breakout. So that is where our bollinger squeeze comes in. We use the bollinger squeeze to trade breakout. So let's get down to it. So in the ranging market, the candlestick contract and they come to each other, and in a trending market the candlestick expand and they move away from each other. So this is a ranging market here. So once you see our ranging market and you want to trade breakout, the breakout is a long direction movement of a candlestick, either up or down after every ranging market. It can be a short breakout or it can be a long breakout, but in some cases it is said that when as long as the market is ranging, that is how long it's going to have a massive breakout, and when the ranging market is short, it's going to have a short breakout. It's correct in some cases and it is not correct in some cases. So let's get down to it. So once we find our ranging market, this is a ranging market here. This is a ranging market here. Once we find our ranging market, we are going to mark the highest point the ranging market ever reached. So this is how we get the highest point. We click on our screen, we'll click on this icon right here, and we click on this line here. So we tap on our screen and we move it down to the highest point. So this is the highest point the ranging market has ever reached, and this is the lowest point. We click on it again, and this is the lowest point the market has ever reached during the ranging market. So once we get our highest point and lowest point, we are going to add 10 pips to the highest point and subtract 10 pips to the lowest point. So we are going to add 10 pips to 0.0994 plus 10. That will be our value will be 1.1004. So that's our value. We are going to click on that icon again. We click on it and we mark our icon. So that will be 0.1004. Can you see 0.1004? So that's it. And we are going to subtract 10 pip from the value of our lowest point, which is 0.10917. So 0.0917 minus 10, which is 907. So our value will be 1.0907. 1.0907. Sorry, I missed the two together. 1.0907 so we get is 1.0907. So this is it. So we use this to trade our breakout. So in this case, once the market go above the highest point our candlestick has ever reached during the ranging market, when the candlestick go above it and hit the point where we had 10 pips, then we can say that's a breakout. That's a breakout, which means the market is going to go a long way up or a long way down. When the candlestick hit either of the 10 pip maybe we had, maybe the downtrend, maybe the one below or the one above. So in this case, the candlestick hit the highest point after we had 10 pips to it. That means the breakout has already happened. Then we can buy from there and ride it. Can you see the market move up to this point here? So to this point here, the market move up to this point. Can you see we'll have grabbed a numbers of people and make a huge profit from this trade. So that this is a short breakout. This is a short breakout. So assuming the market hit the lowest point after we had 10 pips to it, after we minus 10 pips to it, assuming we are going to sell and ride it probably like 100 pips, sometimes 100 pips or 150 pips max. 100 pips or 150 pips max, because the breakout is always massive and we used to gain a lot of profit from the breakout. So that's why we use bollinger squeeze to know to trade the breakout after every ranging market. We use bollinger squeeze to trade. So once the market hit that point where we either minus or had 10 pips, when it hit it, then the breakout already happened, then we can now buy or sell our market. That's how to use bollinger squeeze to trade. When the market hit either of the lower point or the highest point after adding 10 pips or minusing lower or subtracting lower 10 pips from the lowest point, that is where we buy or sell our market. So what can you see it in this case, in this scenario, the market hit the point after we had 10 pips, and the market move upward from that point, which means the breakout has already started and we can trade the breakout. Can you see that it move up to this point here? Then we can gain a lot of profit from this kind of trade. So that's how we trade bollinger. That's how we trade using bollinger squeeze. We used to trade breakout. We had 10 pips to the highest point the candlestick have ever reached during the ranging market, and we subtract 10 pips from the lowest point the market have ever reached during the ranging market. So once the market is either of that point, we are going to sell or buy from that point. So that's how to trade using bollinger squeeze. So don't forget to drop comment, like and share my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of these videos so that you can learn how to trade the forex market on your own without using anybody's signal or paying for any signal. So thank you very much for watching.